Jubilation by supporters of Adamawa State Deputy Governor Mr. Bala Ngilari shortly after a federal high court ordered that he should be sworn in as the governor of Adamawa State immediately following the impeachment of Governor Gov.Nyako. But before that, Justice Adeniyi affirmed the jurisdiction of his courts to adjudicate on the matter, ruled that for any deputy governor to resign, there must be strict compliance to Section 306 of the 1999 Constitution, which required that a resignation letter must be received by the governor or any other person he assigns to do so on his behalf. And there is no evidence before the court indicating that former Governor Gov.Nyako, who is joined in the suit as a sixth defendant, received any letter from the deputy governor. Justice Adamawa said that it is not the duty of the Adamawa State House of Assembly to receive any resignation letter. Accordingly, the said resignation letter has no effect and therefore not admissible by the court. He ruled that the resignation of the deputy governor did not comply with the Constitution and therefore does not stand. Justice Adeniyi ordered that Mr. Ngilari be sworn in as the governor of Adamawa State immediately. He also directed that the acting governor, Mr. Amadu Fintiri, vacates the Adamawa State Government House immediately, as his swearing-in is illegal and unconstitutional. The court also ordered that the Independent National Electoral Commission shelve the planned by-election in Adamawa State this Saturday, 11th of October 2014, as there is no vacancy in the Adamawa State Government House.
Section 306 is very clear on the point that unless you hand over a letter of resignation to the governor, it does not take any effect. So at the time that Nyako was purportedly impeached, there was a deputy governor in place to be sworn in as governor. What you had was a constitutional coup. It was a civilian coup that took place, that a speaker connived with everybody, removed his two bosses in front of him and took over government of a state.
Meanwhile, in response to the judgment of the Federal High Court, counsel to the acting governor of Adamawa State, Chief Bayojo, says he has appealed the judgment and also filed a motion for the stay of the orders of the court pending the hearing and disposal of the appeal. According to him, by the appeal, the orders of the court cannot be complied with until the appeal process is disposed of. Amaka Okafor, Channels Television News.